Hello everyone, I am Ayushi Agarwal and today I will present you the search project. The aim of this project is to design the front end of the Google search, Google image search and Google advanced search pages. First we talk about pages of this project. This project consists of 3 pages: Google search page, Google image search page and Google advanced search page. So this is the Google search page. On Google search page we have the image search and advanced search links on the upper right corner. On the image search page we have the link to go back to the home page, that is the Google search page. And similarly on the advanced search page as well we have the link to go back to the home page, that is the Google search page on the upper right corner. The second we'll talk about query text. On the Google search page, the user can type in the query in the search bar and then can click on the Google search button. As the user clicks on the Google search button, the user will be taken to the Google search result for that particular page. Talking about the design of this page, the design of this page is very similar to Google, such as the search bar is centered with the rounded corners, the search button is also centered and is beneath the search bar. Thirdly, we'll talk about the query image. On Google image search page, the user can type in the query in the search bar and then can click on the search button. As the user clicks on the search button, the user will be taken to the Google image search results for that particular page. Fourth, we'll talk about query advanced. On the Google advanced search page, the user will be able to provide input for the 4 fields which are taken directly from Google's own advanced search page. The first option is find pages with all of these words. The second option is find pages with this exact word or phrase. Third option is find pages with any of these words. And fourth option is find pages with none of these words. As we click on the advanced search button, it will redirect us to the Google search page. And in the search box, we'll see that for this exact word or phrase, the words will be mentioned, the exact phrase will be mentioned in the quotes. And similarly, for any of these words, the capital OR will be mentioned in between the words, and for none of these words, an hyphen symbol or a minus symbol will be shown in front of the words. So as we click on the advanced search page, we are getting the results for the corresponding page. And we can see that capital OR is there for none of these words, capital OR is there for any of these words, quotes are there for the exact phrase, and a minus sign is there for none of these words. Fifth, we'll talk about appearance of Google advanced search page. Like Google's own advanced search page, the 4 options are stacked vertically and all of the text fields are aligned towards the left. The advanced search button is of blue color and with the white text. And as the user clicks on the advanced search button, the user is taken to the search result for the particular given query as shown previously. Sixth, we'll talk about I am feeling lucky button on the Google's main search page. Consistent with the Google's own behavior, clicking on this button should take the user directly to the first Google search result for the query by passing the normal result page. So as we enter the query inside this and click on the I am feeling lucky button, the user will be directly taken to the Google's first search result by passing the normal page, which in this case is the Harvard website. Lastly, we'll talk about the aesthetics of the page. The CSS written for these pages is very similar to the Google's own CSS. So this is the Google page that I have designed and this is the Google home page. It consists of the Google logo, the Google search bar, the 2 buttons, Google search and I am feeling lucky button, the languages that the Google offers and the footer. Similarly, in my page we have the Google logo, the Google search bar, the Google search and I am feeling lucky button, the languages that Google offers and the footer. On the top right corner we have the logo, the bar sign and the link to advanced search page and image search page. So now we go to the image search page. The design of the Google image search page is very similar to the one that I have designed. Now coming to the Google Advanced Search page, we have just taken the first 4 fields from the Google Advanced Search and placed them in the similar way. And the Advanced Search button and the footer is placed accordingly. Thank you.